Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to copy specified cell formatting from one cell to other cells in Excel. The format painter in Excel makes it easy to copy the formatting of a cell and apply it to the another. And with this format painter all the cell formatting will be copied to other cells. If you want only copy some specific cell formatting such as font size, text size and the background color, the format painter will help you to do this. As you can see in my worksheet, I have the sales data in which I have the header row with date, department, employee name and sales amount, and I want to copy the heading of date to all the other ones. As we all know, to format the cell, first we select the cell, then go to Home tab and select the fill color, font color and the text size for all the cells one by one. But there is an easy method to copy the cell formatting to all the other cells. Like I want to copy the formatting of date to all the other heading. So first select the date cell and go to the Home tab, and there is a option Format Painter. Click on it. Now select all the cells that you want to format the same. Select them. Now you will notice the fill color, the font size and the font color of all the cells is same. Now take another example. Now I want to create another sales report table with the same formatting. So to copy the format of this table, select all the table from first row to last row and click on the format paint and select the cell where you want to place this table formatting. When you type any text here, the text size will be same as the first table. As you can see, so the format painter have make your work easier and save your time. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.